TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN Thursday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. We got 30 minutes to go until the start of trading, and we got markets in positive territory right near record highs. You're talking about on the S&P right now. You're positive by 19 points in the session. We're trading at 4250. We got a high print in the S&P. It's just 8 points above where we're trading at. You see the trend channel that we're looking at on a daily basis in the S&P. Quite an acceleration last Friday to lower prices, but man, this week we've been accelerating higher. You look at the bar that we have just from Monday, zooming in on the action. Monday's bar, you're talking about 41.26. We're now above, how about 125 points above that level in the S&Ps? You want to talk about strength? How about the NASDAQ 100? Talking about all-time highs. We'll zoom it in on a 15-minute basis. We make that price point at about 5 a.m. Eastern Time, 14,358. We're positive by 81 points, or more than 0.5%. Got the Dow up about 0.4%. Dow's about 1,000 points from the all-time high, 35,000 on the futures exactly. We got the Russell positive by 10 points. Back in the Russell out, you're talking about the Russell within about 55 points of all-time highs. You're talking 2% on the Russell 2000. We got to jump over to Bitcoin, getting all the press lately. We got some headlines on Bitcoin this morning that we'll be bringing up in the morning market kickoff. Tuesday, we make it down to 28,800. We make a little bit of a low last night as well at 32,400. Since then, we're back right at about 34,000 on Bitcoin. Crude prices, we make it to 74.25 yesterday. We're down about $1.50 from there at 72.69. Gold contract is flat at 17.84. Quite the acceleration yesterday in gold. And then it gives it back plus some by about 3:30 in the afternoon. We've risen in the overnight session, but we're basically right where we were as of about 1:30 yesterday, which is the closing print on gold. And notes and bonds as we finish up the update here. We got the 10-year basically flat. And you're talking about right now, we're looking at a yield of 1.49%. 9% on the 10-year. We're negative by one tick right now at 132.04. The 30-year is flat at 159.25. And we jump over to the volatility index. How about a 15 handle? Probably rightfully so, as this market just continues higher with pretty much nothing in its way right now. We jump over to the fundamental news of the morning. Initial jobless claims higher than estimates at 411,000. Second week that we've come in at 400,000. Bloomberg survey of economists, they were looking for 380,000. The prior week's claim revised upward to 418,000. The market, though, takes it in stride. Higher prices across the board. We're talking about right near all-time highs in the S&P, NASDAQ 100. Stay tuned, folks. Come back.